Hi there, this is Cedric from Musalingua. There are two things I love very much, technology and learning languages. And we are so lucky these days as you can play around with the latest technology to improve your languages skills. How? Let's have a look at 5 tech hacks to learn languages the smart way. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. Without further ado, I will start with an activity that we always recommend when it comes to learning languages: reading. If you have a smartphone or a tablet, get ready to change your habits. Reading books in a foreign language can be made easier for you if you use the right tools. One of my favorite e-readers is Kindle from Amazon. You can buy the e-reader itself or download the free Kindle app for a mobile device you already have. You can then buy or borrow from a huge collection of ebooks in many languages, but that's just the beginning. As you read, you can look up the translation or the definition of a word or expression just by tapping on it. Not only that, but you can also access the Wikipedia page, if there's one, or simply check its definition in an offline dictionary. All of that is available in seconds with just a tap of your finger. You don't even have to go into another app. Of course, there are more features to these e-readers that you can use to boost your language learning. You can obviously highlight new words that you can review later. However, you also have the possibility to create a flashcard to add to your learning the very same way. When you select a word or an expression and share it to your Musalingua app, a new flashcard is created for you to learn later. It's as simple as that. I will come back to this topic a little later. Nowadays, a lot of people have access to online video streaming services such as Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. Aside from being my #1 chilling activity, these are also perfect tools to learn a language wherever you are. Both have tons of foreign movies or simply movies that have soundtracks or subtitles in the language that you're currently studying. Finding TV shows and movies in your target language has never been easier. A simple search with the keywords audio or subtitle with the target language will list all the movies that you can watch. Even better, you can watch TV shows or movies that you've watched in another language. Since you already know the plot and the dialogue, your ear will be more focused on the grammar or vocabulary aspect of the movie. It's one of the most powerful ways to improve your language skills while having a good time. Honestly, who knew that Netflix and chill could teach you a language? You might find there aren't enough video in your target language available for you, especially if you're learning a less common language. Ideally, you would want to explore the free videos offered on the websites of foreign TV networks. Problem: streaming is limited to users located in the same country. Well, this issue could be easily bypassed by a single tool called a VPN. This is a service that allows you to use an IP address or your computer's ID in internet speak from any country in the world. Switching your IP address to another country lets you access all the content, audio or video from these TV websites without any problem. You will need to subscribe to a VPN service, which usually costs between $2 and $3 a month. The tips I gave you so far will help you improve your reading or listening comprehension. So what about your oral expression? What if I told you that you have a pronunciation coach in your pocket right now? Yes, I am definitely talking about your smartphone. Whether you have an Apple or Android, your device has a voice recognition feature that can be used for just that purpose. You might complain that you need to have a clear pronunciation so it understands what you say. Isn't it what you'd expect from a pronunciation teacher? You just need to change the language of your keyboard to the language you are currently studying and then click on dictation. You'll see, your phone will give you a hard time if your pronunciation is too sloppy. All the time you spend online can be also used to personalize your learning path on your Musalingua app. Instead of following the suggestions of your app or manually creating cards, what if you could select your own cards while browsing the internet, or reading ebooks, or simply using your favorite apps? Well, good news! This is now possible. With the latest version of the Mosalingua app, you can create your own learning path by adding new flashcards from anywhere on your mobile device. You only need to select the new word or expression and share it to your Mosalingua app. Your app will then suggest a translation and add it to your learning stack. All of this happens in a flash, no need to type anything. These are a few hacks I use when I learn languages. If you want to give them a try, you can drop a comment below and we'd be happy to help you with anything you need. If you have other tech hacks you want to share, please let us know there too. Take good care of yourself and see you soon.